Now to a story you'll only see on CBS News Miami. Dozens of South Floridians were told they'd have to move out of their Miami Beach homes with less than 2 months' notice.
We're learning many of the tenants are elderly people with no means to pick up and go. Tonight, they're hoping the law can help them out. CBS News Miami's Yvonne Taylor joins us live from Miami Beach. And Yvonne, tenants spoke to attorneys to find out what options they may have, right?
Elliot and Lauren, attorneys from Miami Legal Services are speaking with those tenants right now here at the Miami Beach Library, seeking to answer all those questions. But as you can see, it is a race against time.
Esta carta tenemos la notificación.
Through this letter posted on our doors, we were notified that by the end of next month, we have to be out of our home, said Barbara Lavie. She is one of 42 families paying low rent at the Riviera Apartments in Miami Beach, a prime location building. Across the street, a similar structure, it's now a hotel. These families have to be out of their units by the end of August.
We just don't know where to go. We have called places, but the rent is extremely high.
All of them received this letter dated July 2nd from the law firm Roth & Skoll on behalf of the landlord of the building, which they never mentioned by name. It says, because the landlord values your tenancy, even though your lease only requires a 30-day notice for terminating your month-to-month tenancy, the landlord has decided to give you a full 2 months. Accordingly, your lease is hereby terminated effective August 31st, 2024. Should you fail to vacate the premises by this date, the landlord reserves the right to file an eviction lawsuit and obtain a final judgment of eviction to remove you from the premises.
They don't say nothing before to that time. Everybody needs to move, that's it.
We see these things all the time.
Fausto Rosales is a real estate attorney who tells me the law changed in Florida since the pandemic. Through an executive order, Governor Ron DeSantis established that month-to-month tenants only need to be notified 30 days before vacating, not 60 days as it used to be.
What options, if so, do these families have?
In this situation, the tenants have all the rights to be able to speak to the landlord and try to come to some type of resolution. Maybe if the tenants were to approach the landlord and advise them that they need a larger incentive, maybe that would give enough incentive to the landlord to be able to work with the families.
And that is exactly what some of these families are asking for now.
We understand the redevelopment this area is going through, but we just asking for a little compassion, a little bit more time.
What would be the ideal time?
The ideal time will be from 3 to 6 months.
And there you have it, 3 to 6 months. We reach out to the law firm representing the landlord. I was told someone would call me back. I am still waiting for a response. The city of Miami Beach is telling me that this is a private matter. They don't get involved, and what they've done is that they breach an encounter between attorneys and the tenants. But for now, the clock is ticking for these families. We are live in Miami Beach. Yvonne Taylor, back to you.